Good morning everyone. Day 6 on our adventure road trip in Philippines. So we slept one night here in SAN Fernando Pampanga, which is north part of outside Manila. So now it's a good weather today, sunny. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Driving in Philippines is the best driver in the world, as they say. So heading towards Baguio and to Banawi. Hopefully we reach there before night.
Before the night.
Yeah. It's about, what is this? This is in Baguio?
To Baguio.
Yeah.
200 kilometers.
It's about 200 kilometers to Baguio. And estimated time to travel 3 hours as our GPS said. Yeah, it was a crazy traffic last night in Manila. See there. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
Morning. Good morning, Papa.
I want to go to McDonald's now.
And good morning from me. Yes! Driving through North Luzon Expressway. Yeah. It's 100 kilometers per hour. So
The gas
good.
and truck forward to take us.
I'm so happy that we have a very good highway here in Philippines. So we passed by, after San Fernando, where we start today, we passed by like two tolls, two or three tolls. So you have to pay, but not big
Pay with this.
not that big amount, but
Pay with this.
yeah, 25 pesos, 150. So it's there are many tolls here in this highway. But that is good to maintain the nice road. Look at that. Very nice. Here is flat. Unlike in the past days we've been in summer. There is mountains. Look at that. Beautiful. North Express Highway still. Here you cannot see coconut palm trees. Not here. Here it's only sugar. Sugar plantation, maize, banana maybe. But as long as we can see, there is no coconut palm trees here. It's opposite in the other part. 18 kilometers to Baguio City. So the Kenon Road is closed. So we take another road up through via Marcos Highway and to Pugu Rosario Road. Finally, no foggy.
Inte fog.
Fog.
Skumt kanske.
So it'll be top of the Barriet. Top of the Barriet. My Swedish English.
Jag sa det.
Vad sa du? Actually, it's scary because Lennart, du behöver inte köra om hjärtan. Crazy roads. Det här är väl HALSEMA Road, va?
Va?
HALSEMA Road.
Vad är det?
Potatis!
Och så HALSEMA Road.
Ja, den där var klassad värsta väg i världen förut.
Här.
Ja, men inte nu längre. Alltså hela den där. Hela den här. Från Baguio till Banaui.
Sen bara carefull Highway också. Afghanistan.
Gud, alltså att han vågar riskera andra.
Ja, men han hade ju sikte i kurvan. Men där har han inget sikte.
So this is the highest point of Benguet, which is they say 7,000. We've been driving now for 2 hours around these mountains. We're going down to Sagada, but it seems, you know, yeah, look at this. So pretty cold, very cold. What is? Yeah.
Det är som du säger, de får skylla sig själv.
Getting dark.
Mamma, jag har en video.
So we have really to concentrate because it's cliffed in the right side, very high. And it's start to be foggy.